Hello everyone, it's Gigi. Welcome to my channel. This is entry number 20 into my birthday challenge giveaway. And this one comes from Elizabeth, who is the TheCraftycricket. Elizabeth Holbrook here on YouTube. Hi Elizabeth, hon. I'm sorry I tried to butcher your name. And she sent me a big box. So she decorated the inside. I wanted y'all guys to see that, and I'm gonna pull it off because it is a big box. She had me open it earlier. I wasn't feeling well the other day, and we were chatting in the bed, and she was like, open it, I want you to open it. So I opened it while I was chatting with her, and boy did she spoil me. So I'll show you the card she sent first. So cute. So it says, happy birthday, Nomi. Hey, cupcake. And then she said, Gigi, I hope you had a great birthday. Enjoy all the goodies. I hope you can use it all. So blessed to call you one of my best crafty friends. Hugs, Elizabeth, TheCraftycricket. Happy birthday, sweet friend. Thank you so much. That was such a sweet card, and I consider you one of my crafty best friends too. Thank you. And I'll show you her entry at the end after I show you all the goodies that she sent. And boy, guys, does she spoil me. She was so sweet. Elizabeth, you are such a sweetheart. So first she sent me this stamp set, guys. She knows I love bees. And this one is so cool. So you get the beehive in 2 different sizes. And this one, like the bees are going around. You see the little trail, the buzz trail. And here's a trail. It says, be happy. Home is where your honey is. Be beautiful. What's the buzz? And then there's like some wisps of like dandelions, and there's other flowers. And then here's another bee with a bee trail. Some different flowers, some more bees, more flowers. There's some hexagons. There's even one with a flower in it where you can build it up and make a scene. And then there's some individual ones that are different kinds. Oh, this is such an awesome stamp set. I love it. Thank you. I have nothing like this. And if you're interested, she got it from, it looks like the Oriental Trading Company. And I'll lift it up so you can see the information. Okay, guys. So I love that. Thank you so much. And then next, she sent me these socks. She knows I love bees, and so she always sends, and I love socks. I have a thing for socks. And so, oh, my hair's on there. She always sends me a pair of socks whenever she sends me a box, which is so sweet of her. And I absolutely love these guys. Look how cute they are. They look like little ballet socks. I love them. Thank you so much. Okay, and then she sent this little wood thing that I'm going to put in my room and put it out now. It says, I love fall. Or whatever, fall. And it has cappuccino or hot chocolate, however you want to look at it. But I love this. This is so cute. Thank you so much. And like I said, guys, she spoiled me. She sent me some fabrics. She sent me these llama ones, the fat quarter. And then she sent me these. And look, there's even bees on here. And I didn't even notice those at first. But they have all these animals and bees. Thank you so much. Okay, let's see. What else? Let's see. What do I want to show you? I don't even know. Okay, let's pull these out. So she sent me, this is so awesome. They're kitchen towels, right? But I'm going to use this in my craft room because I like using towels in my craft room. So look how cute these are. So here's one of them, and then there's the second one. Oh, so pretty. I love them. Thank you so, so much. And I needed some towels for my craft room. I have one set of bee ones that I was sent. So now I have 2 sets. Thank you so much. And then she sent me these 2 pieces of paper that I adore because she knows I have 4 kitties. And yeah, so she sent me these. Aren't they cute? I think these are the Pusheen. They look like the Pusheen kitties. But so cute. Thank you. Excuse me. And then she sent me this, and this is so cute. So it's like a little lantern. It has that little tea light on the inside. Let me show you. Let me light it up. I love this. Can y'all see it? Lit up. Oh, there, you can see it like that. But it lights up and it glows. I love it. It says Believe on it. So this will be going in my room also, in my craft room. Thank you so much. I love this. I've never seen it. Love it. Thank you. And then the last wood piece she sent, and then I'll show you the other goodies. I'm hanging this one on my wall in my room. It says Be Happy. Isn't this cute? And she knows I love sunflowers too. Bees and sunflowers. So pretty. She knows just what I like. Okay, and then she sent these magnetic bookmarks. She knows I'm a Christian. And so it says, I am with you always. Let your light shine. Trust in the Lord. And then, oh, there's doubles. So I'll share with my hubby. Thank you for these. I really love them. So they're magnetic bookmarks. So I can use them in my study Bible. Or in my, no, I don't need my devotional. I have a thing for that. Okay. And then she sent me some stickers. Let me share those with you. So she sent me some twine. Some Halloween twine. So this is awesome. Thank you so much. And then she sent me a whole bunch of stickers. And these ones right here are so unique. I have nothing like these. They're House Mouse and Friends. Aren't they cute? Look at the cat one with the crab cake can, and he's lighting the candle for the birthday. And this one's they're having ice cream. And then this parrot one's getting the little seeds. And this one over here, I think that's cheese and crackers. So cute. Thank you. I love those. And then she sent me these cats with the moon. Then she sent me these all heart ones that have the glitter hearts, and they're really chunky. She sent me these baking ones, which I love. Thank you. She sent me these Can Company flowers. Oh, I love these. And she sent me some sunflowers. Oh my gosh. And these are so cool. I've never heard of Harvest Crafts, but these are like felt. They're so unique. She sent me some pumpkins from Can Company. And they're glittery. I love them. They're epoxy. She, of course, sent me some bees from Jolie's. And there's all different kinds doing all different things. Love them. Here's some more bees. Cute. And here's some more sunflowers. I absolutely love these too. These are by Jolie's Boutique. And these are hard ones. Does it say what they're made out of? No, it doesn't. It just says dimensional stickers, but they're hard. And then they have a gem in the middle. And then she sent me these pretty pink flowers with the pink pearls in the center. She knows my favorite color is pink. Excuse me, I'm sorry for the sniffles. My allergies are acting up. And then she sent me these Debbie Mum Stickums. So they say joined at the heart, and it says friendship. And then it has these little girls together. These are so cute. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to use these or if I have to hoard them. Oh, I love these. So cute. Okay. Then she sent some woodblock stamps. Oh, these are adorable. So she sent this truck one, which, you know what, you could color this up any way. So you could color it up for Christmas depending on how you colored the flowers, or you could do it for spring and summer. So that's really fun. So this is by Stampendous, and it's called Succulent Truck. Then she sent me this one by Memory Box, and it's called Stand of Trees. I like it. I have nothing like that. She sent me this little ladybug on a leaf from 2000 Stampin' Up. And then she sent me this gorgeous butterfly. It's from Tim Holtz. Oh, I didn't even notice that. It says Tim Holtz Collection. Stampers Anonymous. She got it from Hobby Lobby. And it is a butterfly. I adore them. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, thank you so much. Okay, we're almost done, guys. Then she sent me a house mouse. She knows I collect the wood ones. And this one's a 1994 house mouse designs. Stampendous. It's called So Big. So cute. It's Monica. And then the last wood block she sent me is by Embossing Arts. Sweet Home, Oregon, it looks like. And that's all it says on it. And it says, Thy word is lamp unto my feet and a light unto my path. Thy word is a lamp unto my feet and a light unto my path. I don't know if I read that right the first time. But isn't that beautiful? Okay. And then she sent me some diamond dots, and they're perfect for Christmas. She sent me this little goodie bag. She sent me the red and green. And I don't know how y'all tell what they are, like if they're colors or whatever. I don't really have very many of these, but I think they're gorgeous. So I will use those. And then she sent me some Gingis. Aren't they cute? Whole bunch of Gingy shakers. So I can make a Gingy shaker. And they're by Wow. Okay. And then in this one, she sent me an ornament for my tree. And it's a gingerbread. Isn't he cute? Okay, now let me share her memory decks. It is so cute. So here it is. It says Stay Sweet. She put two charms on it. A bumblebee, and it looks like a daisy. Or kind of like a, yeah, I think it's a daisy. And then she has these cute little bees. And it says Stay Sweet and has a honey pot. And then there's a bigger bee right here. And then I can show the other side because she has it covered. It says Sunshine. And then she has this rosette with a button and her information right here. And then you flip this down and it has her information. And it says Live Life in Full Bloom. So let me tell you her info. So like I told you before, she's TheCraftycricket. Elizabeth Holbrook, and her birthday is November 23rd. She has, her colors are blue and yellow, also pink. She loves all things girly, also woodlands. And craft style is fun, cheery, and girly. And she has 2 rescue dogs, Bailey and Shelby. Elizabeth, thank you for all my goodies. I appreciate all of them. That was so, so kind of you. And I appreciate our friendship. And I love everything. Thank you so much for entering. Love you guys. Keep entering. We're almost over. Okay, bye.